A snail can sleep for 3 years straight, yes, 3 whole years without waking up. Imagine a world where time pauses for this tiny creature, slipping into a deep hibernation that defies our usual understanding of rest. During this extraordinary slumber, the snail's body slows to a near standstill, conserving energy and surviving on minimal resources. This incredible adaptation allows them to endure harsh conditions, like droughts, by essentially hitting the pause button on life itself. In a world where we rush through each day, these many marvels remind us of nature's fascinating strategies for survival, turning the mundane act of sleeping into a mind-bending phenomenon. As we hustle and bustle, snails take their time, proving that sometimes the best way to navigate life's challenges is to simply rest and wait it out.